Anya Starkle with Avenue Stone Real Estate, and I'm here to show you the lifestyle that this home offers. At the end of this prestigious street of Sumner Avenue lies a one-of-a-kind Tudor Craftsman, known as the historic Dr. Williams house that was built in 1909 and nestled on the corner. This home is all about the location and the charm. We could just stay outside and enjoy this fabulous wraparound porch all day. Can you say stunning box beam ceilings? This living room is amazing with a large bay window, beautiful fireplace, hardwood floors with inlays, built-ins, leaded glass windows, and a long open stair landing. And right off this gorgeous dining room is a galley-style kitchen with floor-to-ceiling cabinets and all stainless appliances. Upstairs features a large master suite with tons of closet and storage space and a clawfoot tub with a private walkout balcony. It features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and over 3,100 square feet, and a 2-car garage. This home is one to see. A short block to Cliff Park and a quick minute to the hospitals and downtown. This home is ready for a new owner.